Welcome back to Creative Akshara. Today, let's see how to make a colorful waterfall card. We would need color paper, scissors, glue and some pearls to decorate. Now, let's start making the front portion of the card. I am using an A4 sized color paper. I want to make a 3-folded card by folding both the sides like this. I am done with the folding. If you want to make the 3 parts equal, then use a scale, mark and then fold it. Now, let's give some shape to the outer layer. Draw lines like this and then cut it. It looks like this. Now I am pasting an yellow color paper on it. The yellow color paper should be smaller than this so that it gives a contrast look. I have already cut an orange color paper to stick on this side as well. Now it's time to make a waterfall. I am using yellow color as our base. Take a piece of paper which should be 8 by 18 cm and a small piece which should be 2 by 16 cm. Next, take 4 color papers measuring 8 by 8 cm. I am making a heart shape out of these 4 color papers. Draw a heart and cut it. Now on the yellow paper, measure 8 cm or keep any heart for the measurement. Draw a line. Mark 1 cm and draw a line like this. Make 4 of them. It's time to fold them. Once we are done with the folding, it looks like this. Now let's fix the hearts. Glue one heart to one line like this. Continue the same. You can write small messages in these hearts. Now let's mark for a tail and cut it accordingly. You can use design scissors to cut it. Now take a small yellow paper and stick that below the first heart. Don't forget to fold it backside. Now let's glue this to the card. Stick it using glue like this. Remember, you have to glue only the folded part. Now let's open and see how it looks. Yes, isn't it beautiful? Our waterfall card is almost ready. Let's decorate it with some paper flowers and pearls. I am decorating this card the way I like. You can do it however you want. Watch my previous video to find out how to make this rose. I am using some green paper to make some little leaves. Now stick everything. You can write a message here. Finally, our card is ready. If you enjoy my videos, please share, subscribe and like. Thank you for watching. I'll be back with another video. Till then, take care and be creative.